Talon allows for commands that repeat words. Here's an example of a word that you're allowed to repeat 0 or more times. If you want Talon to repeat a word 0 or more times, you put an asterisk or star beside it. Let's make such a command. Talon wake. Focus notepad. Say OK. Star. Space. Say I understand. Space. Colon. Space. Inside quotes. Sentence you get a. Space. Ship crunch. Look, each, near each. Space. Word star. Space. Phrase for saying you understand. Period. Space. Go right. New line. Delete. Delete. Enter. Enter. Talon sleep. The OK star means that I can use the OK word in this command I understand as many times as I want. That means, in theory, the command I understand should work. OK, I understand should work. OK, I understand should also work. OK, I understand should also work. So let's save this rule to give Talon access to it and then try it. Talon wake. Control sun. Talon sleep. The rule is now saved. Let's test it. Talon wake. I understand. OK, I understand. OK, I understand. Talon sleep. Obviously that works. Now let's clean up. Talon wake. Clear line. Go up. Clear line. Go up. Go down. Clear line. Talon sleep. Talon sleep.